great pleasure that I introduce you to Brett Michael Carpenter, Chairman of the Nordic Scepter Organization, here to tell you all about the Piper computer.
Well, thank you for that introduction. The Nordic Scepter organization has goals to become a Linux academy. In brief, what we're doing is we're future-proofing children. But I think the real importance of this is not to set some standard that's so high, but more or less reward the behavior of the young people. And how we want to begin is with the Piper Computer Kit. Essentially, it is that the young people are going to be building a computer, and in doing so, they're going to actually learn electronics. With a breadboard, they are going to be actually building a computer game, which is called Minecraft, which is an international phenomenon. And what we have to gain is that young people are actually going to be able to go into the workforce if we are able to create this interest for them in the long run. Essentially, a Linux Academy is something that teaches robotics, drones. Real purpose of it is to future-proof children. And we have a unique way of bringing our culture together through positive reinforcement. We have what's called the Piper Computer Kit. And essentially, the brief description of it is that it's a computer that the young people assemble. And in doing so, they learn how to basically put electronics together. When they're doing the electronics and learning breadboard, from there, they actually build a computer game that is called Minecraft. Minecraft is an international phenomenon. And what we can gain from this whole endeavor is that children will actually have the skill sets to enter into the workforce because they're actually learning how to code. The Linux Academy is going to go beyond just the Piper Computer Kit. We're going to have curriculum, we're going to have robotics, and we're going to have drones. And so this is just the first initial phase of what we're doing. The social media is facebook.com/NauticsScepter. NauticsScepter. Instagram /NauticsScepter. Twitter /NauticsScepter. My email is my name. That's Brett, B-R-E-T, just with one T, .carpenter, just like a man that builds a house, at nauticscepter.org. Click below to get the link to get Piper.
Hello and welcome to the Nordic Scepter Laboratory Experience. This features the Piper Computer Kit. This kit has a 9-inch 1024 by 600 resolution screen. It has the Raspberry Pi edition of the Minecraft video game. The pieces are laser cut wooden pieces, very nice, great finish on them. This also includes a remote control or a mouse. The Raspberry Pi edition is removable, a single computer board. There is a rechargeable battery included in this kit that has 2 USB ports and is mobile. Piper Computer Kit also includes a nice speaker right on the side of the screen. There are a total of 11 Piper Code coding projects included in this Piper kit. Its 9-inch LCD screen is very clear, very attractive looking. This Piper Computer Kit can be disassembled, reassembled up to 10 times. Very good puzzle type learning tool for kids and young adults. So in this kit, you can learn by building, by programming, by using problem-solving skills. Throughout the course of your building experience, you're going to learn how to build a real working computer. It's not just a Minecraft game. It's a real working computer that you can actually code on. you can engage in hands-on construction. So this tool also teaches you how to discover electronics. You can, after this Piper computer kit is fully assembled, you can also learn circuitry. You connect inputs and outputs. You have lights that let you know that you've completed a circuit task correctly. You can, as I said earlier, also learn how to code with Piper Computer Kit. You can complete different projects, whether it's at school, at home, with your parents, with your friends. You get to go through all different types of codes and loops and sequences. Very visual, hands-on, excellent learning tool. So the Piper Computer Kit is a very good STEM learning toy. You included in the package, you have a quick start guide, power adapter. You get a battery pack with 2 USB ports. You have an optional wall mount that's included in this package. Teachers love it. It's a great gift idea for the holiday coming up. This kit offers a rare opportunity to learn computer science from the inside out. It's a great challenge, puzzle type tool, puzzle type learning experience for all ages. It's the building time is roughly around 2 hours to assemble this. I know that different skill levels would possibly get this assembled quick.
School.